Doctors swear by this. Mix castor oil and baking soda to fix 15 health issues in 48 hours. Ever feel like your medicine cabinet is overflowing with tiny bottles, miracle creams, and promises that rarely deliver? What if the real solution to so many nagging issues has been hiding in your kitchen and bathroom this entire time? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, castor oil and baking soda. Sounds like the kind of thing your grandma would whip up in her home remedies arsenal, right? Well, buckle up, because it turns out grandma was onto something. But wait before you scroll away, thinking this is just another tired, recycled internet hack. Trust me when I say this is not your average dye solution. This mix isn't here to play. It's the power couple of natural remedies, backed by science, historical use, and anecdotal evidence that'll knock your socks off. Plus, the best part? It's so cheap, it's practically free. We're talking about a solution that may help you tackle everything from stubborn skin conditions to minor aches and pains, all with ingredients you already own. Who knew looking and feeling better could cost less than your daily coffee? So here's the deal. If you've ever woken up with a face that looks like it lost a fight to a breakout, if joint stiffness has you walking like a rusty robot, or if even a pesky splinter has turned your day upside down, stick around, because this humble mix could very well be your superhero in disguise. Let's talk castor oil. This golden, thick, sticky elixir has been around for centuries. Ancient Egyptians used it for everything from moisturizing their skin to soothing eye irritation. Yep, we're talking about the same people who built pyramids, so clearly they knew a thing or two about precision. Fast forward a few thousand years, and castor oil remains a natural remedy staple. Why? Because it's loaded with retinoic acid, a fatty acid with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving properties. In short, this little bottle of gooey goodness is basically magic. Now, pair that with baking soda, the unassuming white powder you probably only use to deodorize your fridge or bake cookies. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning grime or leavening cakes. It's alkaline, meaning it can help neutralize acids in your body, fight infections, and even exfoliate your skin like a gentle pro. It's like the unsung hero of natural health, waiting for someone to give its big break. Castor oil and baking soda, two underappreciated stars that become unstoppable when combined. Okay, so what can this powerhouse combo actually do? Let's start with the showstopper, skin. You've got acne. Bye-bye pimples. Castor oil penetrates deep into your pores, while baking soda cleans out bacteria and dead cells. Mix them into a paste, apply it as a spot treatment, and boom, results in as little as 2 days. Got a stubborn mole or skin tag that refuses to disappear? Yup, this mix might shrink it too. Dry skin, cracked heels, or that annoying patch of eczema? Lather it on, leave it overnight, and wake up to smoother, happier skin. And we haven't even scratched the surface. Did you know this magical duo can help with those unbearable joint pains? Castor oil packs made with a cloth soaked in castor oil are famous for reducing inflammation and improving circulation. Add a pinch of baking soda to the oil, and you've got yourself a natural pain-relieving balm that can loosen those stiff, creaky knees or aching elbows. No chemicals, no side effects, just sweet relief. But wait, there's more. Got a splinter or a bee sting? Applying this mix can help draw out the foreign object, calm swelling, and minimize pain. Your kids scraped their knee and you're out of antiseptic cream? Baking soda and castor oil to the rescue again. It'll clean, soothe, and start the healing process faster than you can say ouch. And let's not forget those tired, puffy eyes. I know, staying up until 2 a.m. binge watching that series was worth it, but your face doesn't have to pay the price. Dab a little castor oil and baking soda paste under your eyes and watch those dark circles shrink like magic. By now, you're probably asking, does it really work this fast? Yes, it does. But here's the kicker. Like anything, consistency is key. Sure, you'll see results in 48 hours, but use it regularly. And this combo will become your go-to fix for so many health annoyances. Plus, isn't it nice to feel like you're finally using natural, time-tested ingredients instead of slathering on chemical-laden creams that make your wallet cry? But let's be clear, this isn't some internet hype. Doctors, herbalists, and natural health advocates have been singing the praises of castor oil and baking soda for decades. They swear by it because it's safe, effective, and versatile. So if you've been sleeping on these two ingredients, it's time to wake up and put them to work.